How do you make a billion? Well, what kind of returns do you think a portfolio like this is generating? There's underwater periods of 6 months, 4 months, 11 months, drawdowns of 13% in a year. And you can see multiple years where there's drawdowns. What if I told you if this portfolio continued, and there's no guarantee of this, continued to deliver the kinds of returns it's done over the last 8 years, it would, within your own lifetime, turn $1 million into $1 billion. Okay, imagine that. You've got these massive underwater periods, including up to a year, and you've got drawdowns of minus 13%. And yet, and they happen multiple times, and that's just over the last 8 years, which included the Trump presidency, tariffs, COVID, the declines of 2022, the surprise falls of 2018, and those you don't even remember some of those. So imagine that despite all of that, you could have a portfolio which goes from $1 million to $1 billion in your own lifetime. What would I mean by your own lifetime? Well, actually, it'd be roughly 30 years. So what is the annualized return on this? Well, there's no guarantee it would continue in the future. So you might only end up with $500 million. And of course, it assumes also that you took no withdrawals out, you just let it grow, which of course in reality most people wouldn't do that. And it also assumes you'll be alive to spend it in your own life. So it's not 80 years, actually, it's closer to 30 years. As I said, what is the annualized return? It doesn't matter. It was actually something quite reasonable. It's something which has been happening. So why don't people have it? Well, they might not have $1 million to start off with, and they might not start off at a young enough age, and they might be impatient, and they might panic, and they might get bored. Warren Buffett will tell you that that's actually the reason why he became the world's richest man. He just stayed the course, started early enough, and started with enough capital. But maybe you don't want or need $1 billion. Maybe you need far less. It gets tediously simple after a while. I guess that's why billionaires like Ray Dalio are on TikTok, because you need to be doing something else. Because if it's working in the background for you, what are you there to do? Do TikToks and YouTubes. Follow, like more, and I will give you more insights into the world of investing. Thank you very much.